Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in class we were talking about money and our attitude towards money. And I kicked off with an admission that when I was younger, I was really bad with money. I basically used to spend money like water. As soon as I made it, I'd basically spend it. And then sometimes I'd start to rack up debts on my credit card and I'd get myself into a lot of debt, and that would cause me all sorts of problems. It took me a long time to basically learn how to manage money better. I think I was probably in my mid-30s before I really learned how to live within my means. If you talk about living within your means, it basically means learning to live comfortably by spending a fair bit less than you actually earn. So maybe you've got a friend who's broke all the time and you take them to one side and have a word in their ear and tell them, listen, you need to keep track of what you're spending your money on. You're probably wasting your money on all kinds of frivolous crap. Basically, if you're going to learn how to live within your means, you've got to keep an eye on what's coming out of your bank account, what you're spending your money on. And one of the good things about learning to live within your means is that once you've learned to do that, the next step is you can slowly start to save a bit of money. By the way, the opposite of living within your means is living beyond your means. So maybe you know somebody who's always lived beyond their means. Usually in that situation, they borrow money left, right and centre, they rack up a mountain of debt and they store up all kinds of problems for themselves in the future. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students on social media. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use live within your means or live beyond your means.